god. Hey gang, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is the first week of February and I wanted to try something new, add something different to my routine and hopefully pick up like a new hobby, skill. And this week I'm gonna be doing skating. I'm gonna put them on now actually while I talk. So I am really anxious when it comes to doing things different outdoors. I get scared that people are gonna look at me and judge me, but that's because I have like social anxiety to a certain degree, and yeah, this is just my worst nightmare. But not because I don't want to do it, like it's a dream of mine. I've always wanted to skate and I used to skate when I was little. But as you get older, you do get them fears that people are judging you, and I just want to forget about all that. I want to just do something that I love without worrying about other people, like people that I don't even know. Like, it's so crazy how we worry about strangers, like what strangers think. This is like another step into maintaining my anxiety and learning to do things that I'm scared of, that I actually want to do. Hopefully I can do this so naturally in the future that I don't even worry about anyone else, don't even worry about people watching me. That is the goal. So these, I'm going to put some similar ones in the description that I find. But these are just inlines, which I find a lot easier. Yeah, I want to get some quads one day because they look so cool. And you can do different kinds of tricks with them. So for now, I'm going to stick to the inlines. Oh! So I'm only going to film like 3 days in this video, because I don't want this video to be too long. But hopefully by the end of it, I'm pretty good. Oh yeah, my wig is from Webster Wigs, if anyone's interested. I'll put the link for this one in the description. It's not an ad or anything, I just really love it. It's synthetic, but it's such a nice little, you know, in-between wig. I'm gonna look like Barbie on skates today. Love it. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life is plastic, like my wig. It's fantastic, like me. So goodbye anxiety today. Hello newfound confidence. That is the goal. It's gonna be really hard at the beginning. I had a few people on Instagram, because I mentioned it on my Instagram, that said please do it, it's gonna really help you with your anxiety. It's really hard at the beginning, but you'll get used to it. And it's like anything, like driving, like so many people get nervous, and being on stage, performing, anything like that. And then as soon as you've done it, even roller coasters, once you've done it, you just think, what was all the fuss about? And I just want to get over that, like worrying what people think. That is the main goal for this video. I'm going to try and do more of these because I feel like it's important to try new things. Even if you're a grown adult like me with Barbie skates and wanting to try something completely out of a comfort zone, I feel like it's amazing. So I'm all ready. Got my headphones as well. I'm going to be listening to music, catching a vibe, getting that last bit of sun. Here we go. Okay, these are my first steps. Okay, right. We're rolling. The sun is shining, it's nice. This is my 2000 Babies playlist. It's all my 2000 music that reminds me of being a kid, and hopefully it'll get me in the mood. Let's go. I'm gonna practice around here first because I realised it's a little bit far around the block. I got like down the end of the street and I was like, no, I can't do this. So I'm gonna practice around here first. Okay, I'm putting the camera here because I can't multitask. Bye. Shit. feel like I'm getting worse. I'm actually so bad. Like, my ankles are hurting me already. I've only been skating for like 10 minutes. So I realised I can't turn, I can't skate in a straight line, and I can't skate for more than 30 seconds without like tripping up. So I've got a long way to go, but I'm excited. I feel like it's really getting my adrenaline up. I'm feeling a bit more confident. I feel like I'm having a good time. You know, it's all about a good time. Okay. I'm not ready to go around the block yet. I'm not ready. Not ready. Okay, I can do a straight line. Wow, I feel like I've achieved something today. I'm gonna try and turn. This is really difficult.
One eternity later.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, this is too much. I need a break. No one saw me, it's okay. Oh, I'm so embarrassed. I knew I was gonna fall over, that's why I got the knee pads, but I didn't think I would fall over that hard. Ow. I just bought a bit of water. Oh god, my lace front's coming off. I'm telling you, I'm sweating. Every time I sweat, my lace front comes off. At least I know I'm working out. I've got some Steph London on now. London. London. Whee. Okay, this is way easier. The floor was crazy around my ends. Okay, I'm getting better at turning, but I'm not quite there. I'm gonna try again tomorrow. So I've waved at my first human being and it went really well. Social anxiety 101 problems. Hi. I like your bike. Oh, I've not ridden rollerblades in like 10 years, so I'm trying to practice. Thank you. God, human beings scare me. I'm back home now. I'm done for the day, but I'm really excited to skate tomorrow. That was so fun. I feel like a little kid again. It's really good to get your, you know, inner child out, and I feel like I definitely got out of my comfort zone today. So I'll be back tomorrow. There's all mud on my hand.
Tomorrow.
Day 2 of my rollerblading quest. I wasn't going to bother because all the cars that have driven past have like melted it, so hopefully it's not going to be a health hazard. I'm used to it now, like it feels very natural, but don't ask me to do any tricks. So I'm going to put you here again. Yay! Oh, by the way, all the outfits that I am wearing throughout this video are Boohoo Man, and they're so cozy. Going over the ice and the snow. I've just realised I've literally forgot my knee pads and elbow pads. Do I risk it and just not put them on today? I did fall over quite a bit yesterday. Don't really want to ruin my new tracksuit, but can I be bothered? Nah. Nah, mate. I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna risk it for a chocolate biscuit. just see that move? Sorry. Somebody. I feel like Princess Diana. But she didn't fall over as many times as I have. I like my crumble with some custard. Don't go too fast, Jade. You're not in the Olympics yet. I feel like Elsa. Let it go. Let it go. Okay, don't fall, Jade. I feel like my feet go outwards. I'm like the real life Bambi. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.
Day 3.
Hey gang, so it's the next day. I am walking to the park. I've not got my skates on because, I'll show you. Basically the whole floor is just like, got random bits of snow and ice, and I don't want to fall over. But I'm gonna try and find like a nice clear bit in the park to skate in public. So I'm nearly slipping with my shoes on, so you can imagine. Got another Boohoo tracksuit on as well. This one is probably my favourite. It's got like lightning on it. Okay, this area is really good. I'm gonna put on my blades and get going. These gloves are making me laugh. OJ Simpson vibes. It's all I had, okay? Round 3, bitches. Right, so I'm ready. It's probably not a good idea to leave my camera in a London park, but no one's around. Look, it's empty. Okay, some mandem are coming, so I'm gonna literally. Okay, this is my test. This is my test. Look how many people are behind me. Yay! Okay, it's a little bit slippy. It's not like, oh my god, it's not like back home where the floor's like sludgy. It's like actual bits of ice. So wish me luck. Whee! Whee! In comparison to the first day rollerblading, wow, all the jolting and falling over, I've definitely improved. See guys, practice makes perfect. I'm so glad I did it. It's actually like so ethereal doing this in the snow. Like, this is what life's about, guys. This is what life's about. Rollerblading in the snow, risking your damn life. This is what life's about. How beautiful this is. Like, rather than being inside, just like, it's very cold. It's very, very cold. But to actually be out in it, it's just so beautiful.
Later.
So I've just been sat here like having a drink of water, taking a little break, and some guy goes past me. I'm like trying to talk to me, and he's like, can I take a photo of you? And I'm like, sure. And I just pose there with my skates like this, like posing as if I'm like a professional. Like, I'm dead. I'm gonna do like 10 more minutes and then I'm done. I've accomplished it, guys. I've accomplished it. Okay, we're gonna move. I'm gonna go back home, but I'm really proud of myself, but I'm gonna push myself a little bit further and I'm gonna actually rollerblade home. I live like near a main road, So I am scared to fall over in public, so I'm not going to carry my camera when I am on the main road because that's just really dangerous. But I will let you know how it's gone when I get home. I look so pale in this light. Hey, I'm back. I've got spaghetti laces. I look like a little poodle. When it dries, I'll look like a Powerpuff Girl. It's so cute. So I've just got back, had a shower, put on a fresh tracksuit because imagine as I'm coming back, it just starts snowing heavily. I was so lucky, and it was actually fine. Like I said, like, we worry about things so much, but when we actually do it, it's never as bad. So because I was focusing so much on my rollerblading, making sure I wasn't falling over, I didn't even care what anyone else was doing. I've enjoyed it way more than I even thought I would. Even like going past people and smiling. I know it might sound ridiculous to a lot of people, like, it's just people, like, you know, why would you feel anxious? Like, you won't understand unless you actually experience it. So it's really hard to explain, but doing things like this is really helping me get over and overcome, you know, all them anxious feelings that I get in public. I'm really proud of myself. Exercise, anything like this that takes you out of your comfort zone is so good for anxiety, stress. So I would definitely suggest doing something like rollerblading, something that, you know, is out of your comfort zone, because it pushes you there and it pushes you to, you know, do more than you can imagine doing. If you do have any ideas on what I could try or you want to see me do, then please comment below and subscribe if you don't already. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye.